Resin Obsession besties, my name is Catherine Swift and I'm going to show you today how to use mold release to get the best results in your resin molds. Now, I'm outside today and that's important for a reason I'll show you in a minute. But the reason I'm talking about this today is because if you overdo your mold release in your molds, you're going to get white streaks and spots on your castings, okay? So the first thing you need to know is that you're not gonna apply your mold release like you do cooking spray. So if you're in the kitchen, you're using a little cooking spray and you try and get every nook and cranny in that casserole dish because we don't wanna have to scrape it out later. That is not the approach you wanna take with your resin molds. What you wanna do is create a cloud of mold release that you're going to draw your mold through, hence why we're outside. All right, I'm using one of our aerosol mold releases, the Petrolise. This same concept applies if you're using our pump spray mold release. The pump spray is not going to create as big a cloud, but it's still the same process. So you don't want to spray the mold, getting every little nook and cranny in there. Instead, what you want to do is create a cloud and then draw the mold through it, kind of like you're applying perfume. Okay, now I've done this about 3 times with the mist, and you might look at it and be like, I'm not seeing anything on here. Trust me, it's on there. You've got your mold prepped. Now you need to let it set aside for about 20 to 30 minutes and let the mold release completely dry. And that'll also keep the white streaks off of your castings. So if you're really prepared, you can always do this the day before or the night before, let it dry overnight, and then that way your molds are ready to go. So if you have any questions, let me know, and you can get both mold releases that I used here today in our store. Okay, happy resin time!